Starting an OctoClean franchise is going to be a challenge for anyone. But what we found is that there are 5 factors that create successful franchisees. Those factors are characteristics that those franchise owners had before they came to OctoClean. Let's see if these fit for you. Hi, I'm Matt with OctoClean, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 most important characteristics of a successful OctoClean franchise. We're going to start off with ambition. If you're looking for something more than your basic 9 to 5 and working for somebody else, then OctoClean may be for you. It's going to be difficult for you to start a business no matter what, but if you have the ambition to go above and beyond and to be uncomfortable in certain situations, this might be the right fit. The next characteristic is drive. So what does that mean exactly? What that means is that you are the generator of your own motivation, that you have the drive to do more. Even if it's a bad day, you're going to continue to push and push and push. Drive is one of the most important aspects and characteristics of a successful business owner, whether that be a franchise or any other business owner. Drive is key in success. The next characteristic that we look for is someone who likes process. What does that mean? What that means is that you like to see things done in an orderly fashion. You like instructions, you read instructions, you follow instructions. Buying a franchise is taking a tried and true system and applying it using ambition and drive and some of the other things we're going to be talking about shortly. If you're someone who likes order, someone who likes to see systems work, this could be a good fit. So next, it's resilience. So resilience really means that when challenges come up, you don't cower from those. You lean into it. If you see something coming, you're being proactive. But if something hits you right in the face, a big problem with your accounts or with your employees, that you're going to be resilient and tough to get through those situations by leaning into those problems and not running away from them. The last of the 5 characteristics is consistency. It doesn't mean that you're always going to consistently do things, but you recognize when you are not being consistent and you quickly go back to that behavior. Consistency in business is key. Consistency in delivery of service, consistency in how you work with your employees. That way everyone feels comfortable. If you're someone who likes consistency, someone who respects consistency, this could be something that is a fit for you and for your life. That wraps up the 5 characteristics of a successful franchise owner at OctoClean. If that sounds like you and you want to learn more about OctoClean, click the link below, fill out the form, and someone will be reaching out to you to schedule a face-to-face meeting or a Zoom meeting so that you can learn everything about OctoClean. If then it still seems like it's a fit for you, we'd love to welcome you to the family. Until next time, we'll see you later.